Welcome to the assembly video for your Broil King Smoke Grill. Please use this video as a companion to your assembly manual. Now let's get started. You will need the following tools to assemble your Broil King barbecue. Before starting, unpack all of the components for your barbecue and lay them out in your workspace. Step 1. Install the legs labeled A, B, C, and D on the cookbox portion of your smoker. Secure in place using the hardware provided. Step 2. With the legs securely attached, install the lower shelf. Attach using the 4 screws provided. Tighten with your screwdriver. Step 3. Attach the wheels to your smoker and tighten using your adjustable wrench. Step 4. Attach the lid handles to your smoker by setting the handle seats on the lid. The large side of the wedge is always on the top of the handle. Tighten each screw with your screwdriver. Step 5. Install the left side door bracket using the 2 screws provided. Slide the door into the door frame and undo the nut from the handle assembly. Install the handle assembly with the handle pointing down and the door latch to the outside of the door. Tighten the handle using a wrench. Attach the second side door bracket on the right side of the barbecue. Step 6. On the other side of the door frame, attach the bottle opener using the hardware shown here. Step 7. Using the 8 screws shown here, attach the mobility handle to the end of the cookbox. Step 8. Attach the chimney using the 4 screws provided. Step 9. Install the front shelf by inserting the shelf studs into the shelf supports on the front side of the firebox. This can be removed for storage or transport. Step 10. Install the ashtray through the left side door. Step 11. Insert the smoked charcoal trays into the barbecue. The handles on the charcoal trays should be located at the front and back of the barbecue. Step 12. Insert the cooking grids. You are now finished assembling your Broil King smoker. Before using your smoker, make sure you turn on your barbecue for 20 minutes to burn off any residue left from the manufacturing process. You are now ready to grill. Please visit BroilKingBarbecue.com today. We'll provide you with the very best in customer support, recipe ideas, informative videos, grilling tips, and much more.